we're going on a trip. A short trip, but nonetheless a trip. We're getting out of town. My friend happened to get a couple extra days off. She needs a vacation. I need a vacation. And it's hot. So we're going to take a vacation. She is taking me with her, and we're going to go somewhere. I'm going to bring you all along and try this Travel Channel thing out again.
You don't drive.
Huh?
So you don't drive in regular cars much, I know.
No, I don't record much and hold my camera.
Would you like me to hold it?
No, I got it for right now. Provided I don't hit something.
Yeah, that would be, appreciated since it's my car.
That would be appreciated.
Right?
Yep, that's all I need. Running all my settings right, because they've been changing all that. Just need a minute or so. As you figured, we have been traveling. We are on our way to Colorado to visit some friends and see some sights and get out Oklahoma for a little bit. Anyhow, we're going to stop here at No Man's Land State Park. It's right off the highway in Guymon, Oklahoma. It's about 3 hours away from Enid West, and if you're going east, about 3 hours to Enid. So. Of course, we parked in the shade. There's no one else here. I seen on one of the overnight sites that they do allow overnight camping. It is actually, I believe, a pretty safe spot, even though you're right on the highway. The city offices are here and the highway patrol station, and I believe the city police are also near the same site. As you could see, there was an RV over there. We're at Guymon's Information Center. And it appears that they have a dog park here, which would also be good. I should get Hunter out and take him to the dog park. There's be some information here to read, maybe. Oh God, that's hot. You can't read the information. So eventually they'll update their information so you can read it and see what it all says. Look at all those old branding signs here. You see the different brands. See all the different branding signs here. Pretty cool. Old windmill stuck up in the trees. Skate park. Dog park. There's some RV camping back there in the back. Yeah. So this says Panhandle areas natural gas. The largest individual gas reserve in the United States. The largest natural gas reserves in the United States. Corners which much of Oklahoma Panhandle extends northwestward from Texas through this area and into Kansas. God, yeah, it's hard to read. I bet it's not even coming up on camera. Let me see. Sprawling, Hutchinson, Panhandle, field pronounced gas comfort for mankind. Fire for the boilers for industry and tenders, the national's country. Higgins gas productions. Basically, they're saying that the largest gas field in the U.S. Natural gas reserve. There's not much out here. Really not much out here. But hey, where's that thing that used to say what No Man's Land State Park was? Is it this faded sign here?
That was the O2. Oh, is that not
No, that's the natural gas thing. I mean, they have Black Mesa on here, Loop Trail. They have something that you can't really see. And definitely not that. And that one doesn't say anything, so. Okay, well, I guess it's not here. So if you want to find out more, I recommend going to Oklahoma's website. South Road entering Colorado, just past the Comanche National Grasslands for reference. We are north of the Black Mesa in Colorado, and we're headed towards Kim area, which is in that. Check it out.
We're gonna get this done here. Put the dog in.
Hunter didn't need to pee at all. Hopefully there's no snakes around here. Ooh, that sounds horrible. Dust pneumonia. $800 million tons blew off the Dust Bowl. Well, yeah, that kind of makes sense, actually. I'm not reading this. If you all want to, feel free to pause and read it. Take a idea from a friend. Wait, where are we at on this map? We're south of Lamar.
We're right here.
No, we're right here. Oh yeah, right there on camp. Wait, look at that. Wait, where is it? I thought it was Black Canyon. What is this?
That's Carrizo Canyon.
We can get there?
Sure.
Or keep it mental note for the next time we're over there.
We could go to Picture Canyon too.
Picture Canyon. Oh, hey, that was that road is trying to make us.
Yeah.
No, that was before that road. That was that first one. I think we're coming at this from the wrong direction. The sharks of the plains. You're watching out for snakes, right?
Yes. Ever since I saw the tails on the sign on both sides. I mean, it seems pretty standard. I grew up in Colorado, and I learned by us walking upon rattlesnakes several times.
That's true. Wow.
My mom, you keep your eyes and ears open all the time. It's like looking for highlights. If you ever looked at that kids magazine,
Wow.
except for you screw up, you might die. You better catch them before they get surprised by you.
Yeah. Well, it's like what is it? Gloss Mountains.
This is funny. The lesser prairie chicken. So where's the greater prairie chicken?
My question is, those are all new. This looks like this has been here for a while.
Yeah, it is. Either that or the angle the sun hits these two, but not the others.
That's a good possibility too. Look at that view. Pretty flat, but awful pretty. Also pretty. Back down that way. Black Mesa area is down that way. And not much out here, but boy, it's nice and quiet. Heck of a change from waking up in the morning smelling jet fuel.
Right?
That's for sure. I'm looking forward to traveling again. That's for sure, even though it's just a quick trip. Alright, let's get on down the road. Always speed up and make it look better, but it takes forever to... He's going left, although I could not tell that. I mean, he's going left, but there's no way to tell he's going left. Oh look, someone else is... Oh, I'm getting past. We have arrived in Colorado, Trinidad to be specific. We got here a little while ago, checked into the hotel, and now we're out to get pizza. Beautiful view here. It's raining. It's very nice. A very nice 70 degrees. And yeah, we're gonna go check out this thing on this car here after we order our pizza because I think it's gonna take a while to make. And then we're gonna go to the hotel and eat. And then we're gonna crash out and then sleep and wake up and do the stuff tomorrow. But look at that butte. It's also raining. Alright, let's go order. Look at this. We're down here getting some pizza at the Bomb in Trinidad. They got this really nifty art car that kind of resembles Slab City in so many more ways than I can explain. Might actually, I don't know. Look at that. That is really neat. Oh, look at the mountains, the lightning, and the thunderstorms. Oh, that's gorgeous over there. I miss the mountains. Only took one day of driving to get here. Oh, so nice. And very nice. Right, on we go. Next place.